Now, I did not spend hours writing it. I did not even hire a copywriter. I did not even use Google to actually do the heavy work for me. Instead, I opened Claude AI, I typed in one prompt, and 28 minutes later, this listing was live on Etsy. Title, description, all the 13 keyword tags, price recommendation, the whole thing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, the precise prompt I used, the exact Claude session, and also the step that most creators keep that actually makes the difference between a generic listing and one that actually sells. So, without wasting any time, let's dive in. So guys, as you can see, without wasting any time, I'm gonna be using free Claude AI. You can go ahead and go to Claude AI and just sign up. It is a very easy process. And the first prompt that I'm gonna actually use, it is this one, and I'll leave all these prompts in my description so that you can get them for free. So I'm telling Claude AI, you are my Etsy business strategist and copywriter. My shop is called blah blah blah. I sell digital products, printable prompts, and pack and AI-assisted creative products, targeting women entrepreneurs, faith-driven creators, and the African diaspora community. My brand voice is actually warm, authoritative, cultural, grounded, and premium, but accessible. Think of Afrocentric luxury, expensive linen, and also plastic. And my target buyer is women and also age 25 to 45, who is building income online, values quality, and also is looking for tools that respect her intelligence and also her aesthetic. Now, every listing you actually do what you actually write for me should actually lead with the buyer's problem, not the product features. Use Etsy SEO keywords naturally, never stuffed. Sound like a knowledgeable friend recommending something valuable, and with a clear statement of what the buyer will receive. And then I'm gonna ask Claude AI, do you understand? Okay, it is very important to actually tell it this. Okay, and then once it has done like that, I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna just click here, guys. It's very simple, and we're gonna see what Claude will start now. You can see from the obvious, it has responded. Yes, I have got it. Is what I'm holding on to your strategist. Okay, the brand, the structure, the buyer, and everything. Now that Claude has understood the first prompt that we have given it, let's go to the next prompt that is very important. If you don't do this, you will end up with some generic stuff that you won't even sell, or maybe you won't come out with any product. Okay, you don't just tell Claude to create anything for you, because you cannot be general. Like you cannot generalize anything. You must be having an idea of what you want to create. The prompt that I'm going to give it is this one, which is actually just the product that I want. I have specifically dates, maybe used it in details, and the product is the title, the Claude AI Etsy listing prompt kit. This is the product that we're going to be selling on our Etsy platform, or wherever you want to sell it. Okay, and then it's going to be a digital or a PDF. I want you to create an Etsy listing title, maximum 140 characters, a full Etsy listing description, okay, and then 13 keyword tags, a price recommendation, and then I'm going to just do what, click here. This is the second prompt that I have given what Claude AI, and as you can see, Claude AI will start thinking, analyzing our product. Remember, we must be specific of the product, and we have given it the product like you have seen here, with every detail that we want it to be. This is gonna be a very digital PDF that we're gonna be selling, and even the price and everything is here. So we're gonna give it a few minutes to think and analyze everything, and we're gonna come back once it is ready. So as you can see, it has taught and it has given us the thing that we're going to be selling, the listing, the title and everything. Now finally, the last prompt that is very important is this one. I'm going to put here. Now, before I let you go, I want to give you something beyond the tutorial. Luke chapter 19 verse 13. Jesus gives his servants resources and tells them, occupy till I come. I think in the original Greek word is pragmatomai. Okay. Now, it means to trade, to transact, to do business with what you have been given. Not someday, not when conditions are perfect, not when you feel like you are ready. It means you occupy right now, just right now, with what is in your hands. Now, Claude AI is in your hands, an internet connection is in your hands, Etsy or other platform, let's say for instance Gumroad or wherever, is in your hands. The woman I built this channel for, she is not waiting for permission. She is building in the margins of her life, between nap times and school runs and other eras, across time zones and also tight budget, with tools that cost nothing and a calling that actually cost everything. Now, this is Etsy listing prompt system it's not a shortcut, okay? It is a stewardship method that I'm trying to apply so that you guys can actually start using. You are multiplying what God placed in you, using the best tools available in this generation. That is not laziness, that is faithfulness, okay? If this video helped you, subscribe to this channel. I post every Monday and also every Wednesday, especially when it comes to AI tools, Claude AI tutorials, Etsy strategy, and Kingdom business frameworks for women who are actually done with financial dependency and ready to build something that actually lasts. The prompt I used today, the master contact prompt, the product prompt, and also the refinement prompt are in my free Substack newsletter, and I'm gonna link, or maybe I'm gonna leave the link in my description. No cost, no catch. And leave a comment below. Tell me, what Etsy product have you been putting off, or maybe have you been putting off building, and why? Or maybe just tell me which product are you up to, okay? Now, I read every single one, or maybe every single comments of you guys, and I really appreciate, and I'll be so glad to read some of your comments. God bless you all. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.